Digital media marketing and social media marketing. Digital media marketing is a complete term for the marketing of products, brands, and services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. Digital marketing activities are like digital marketing plan and strategy, search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM, content marketing, influencer marketing, campaign marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, Google, Facebook advertisement plan, social media optimization, email direct marketing, display advertising, non-internet channels that provide digital media, such as mobile phones, SMS and MMS, callback and on-hold mobile ring tones. CEO Sikandar Sami Joyia 0300 8016343